subclass, we can do we can add new properties to it, then superclass. We can add new methods, and we can override the methods of the superclass. So in this segment, we will learn what method overriding is. So method overriding, it means a subclass, it inherits methods from a superclass. But sometimes it is necessary for the subclass to modify the implementation of a method defined in the superclass, and this is referred to as method overriding. It means when we inherit the method from the superclass, we may need a different implementation in my subclass. So in that case, keeping the method signature, return type, everything intact, in the subclass, we change the implementation of the method, and this change of implementation in the inherited method is known as method overriding. So let's look at an example. So in our example, in the geometric object class, we had a method named toString method. So let us see the toString method here. So in our geometric object class, it's public. So the modifier is public. That means its subclass circle will definitely inherit this. The return type is string, and the name of the method is toString. The parameter list is null. So what it returns is, it returns the name of the class or the type of the object, then the color and the value of color, the value of field, and the date created value. So they concatenate everything together and return that string. So you see, if we want the same information or similar information in our circle, we see that in our circle we want to have the same type of method as toString, but in the circle, other than the color, field, and date created, we have another data field, radius in circle. So if we inherit toString, this implementation does not make the full sense in circle. So what we will do is, we will change the implementation of this inherited method. So what we can do is, we will write here public string toString. So this is very important that the method signature, that means name of the method and parameter list, is the same as in the superclass. The return type is same, and the modifier is also same. So here we will return whatever we had from our superclass, so super.toString, and we will concatenate our new information like radius equal the value of radius, this. Okay. So now if we go to our test inheritance class like before, instead of C1, let's say we want to print out.println C1 dot toString. So let's see what happens. So if we run this, so the color is red. Then for this C1 dot toString, geometric object color equal red, field equal false, date created equals something, and if we scroll here, radius equal 10. So what happens is the toString method, the implementation was changed in our subclass circle, and we can get the execution of the new method. So this is known as method overloading.